Komatsu presents the PC220LC-12. This is an evolution setting the standard for comfort and efficiency. The main case is spacious cabin, 28% large, 8 crystal legroom and improved visibility. Improvements include an electro-hydraulic system and an engine demonstrating enhanced fuel efficiency. Extended maintenance intervals reduce maintenance costs. This machine weighing up to 24 cent develops a bucket breakout force and is capable of digging up to 63 meters deep. For accuracy, Komatsu offers the PC220LC-12, an autopilot for earthworks. Sure feature is the IMC 3.0 system with built-in 3D workspace control. The operator sets the boundaries. The car stops when approaching the restricted zone, eliminating errors and increasing safety. The system stores operator profiles, adjusting settings. Both models are equipped with ComVision 360, creating a panoramic map and enhancing safety. Open the future of construction with Komatsu PC220LC-12 and PC220LCI-12. Visit a dealer.